Subscribe to Techdroids and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update in the future. Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys over the best $600 gaming PC build that you can do for late 2018. So basically this is going to be the best budget build where you get the best value for money and price to performance. And in today's video I take you guys over the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers, the benchmarks, and some alternative parts or future upgrades that you might want to add to make this PC even better. And with that being said, all the parts in this video will be down below in the description to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links, so if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get on with the build. For the CPU we have the AMD Ryzen 3 1300X. It has 4 cores, 4 threads, a base clock of 3.5, a boost clock of 3.7 GHz, a TDP of 65 watts, and it also comes with a RAID stealth cooler. This is unlocked so you can overclock to get some extra performance, and for $132.99 this is not a bad deal. Now to house that CPU we have the MSI Pro Series AMD B450M Pro M2. Mouthful of a name, but this is the AM4 B450 motherboard in a micro ATX form factor, DDR4, HDMI, USB 3.0 and M.2 for super fast storage, and for $64.99 this should get the job done. For memory we have 8GB of Patriot Signature DDR4, two 4GB sticks in dual channel at 2666 MHz should do the job, and RAM pricing finally seems to be coming down, and for $69 8GB should be more than enough for now, but in the future if you feel like you need more memory you can surely add more RAM, maybe go up to 16GB if your applications require it. And for mass storage we have the WD Blue 1TB hard drive, 7200 RPM, 64 MB of cache, and a 3.5-inch small form factor for only $44. I'll also suggest a SSD from Kingston that is currently retailing for $28. That is the Kingston UV400. It's a 120GB SSD that should offer you decent speeds up to 300 MB per second plus read and write. So yeah, that's a very good upgrade, and it's a no-brainer for $28. Now to power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus watt certified power supply with a 3-year warranty. 500 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some headroom for future upgrades, and it's from EVGA. That's a reliable brand. For only $32 this is not a bad deal. Now for the star of the show and the graphics card we have the Zotac GeForce GTX 1050 Ti Mini. This has 4GB of GDDR5 memory, works on 128-bit memory interface, one DisplayPort, one HDMI, one DVI, and a 1050 Ti. We've talked about it before on this channel. It's a really good budget graphics card, and for $169 we'll get the job done for this PC. To wrap this whole build up, we have the gorgeous looking Fantex Eclipse Steel ATX mid-tower case. Again, that big form factor, a lot of space inside, really good looks, clear side panel, USB 3.0 and audio jacks, big graphics card supported, and also liquid cooling is a thing that you can add. And for $59.99 this case is offering a lot. So that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance and some future upgrades. Now performance on this PC should be really good considering the $600 budget. You should keep your expectations moderate. You can play all the games in 1080p medium to max settings, no problem. AAA titles will run smoothly on this, 60 plus FPS, and you can also crank textures and inclusions and things like that here and there. Depends on the title, but if you can tweak around with the settings and resolution here and there, you'll get the best playable experience. Now talking about esports titles such as CSGO, Rocket League, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, the games that don't require a lot of power, last generation titles, they'll run really well, 100 plus FPS. But yeah, you need to prioritize either resolution or quality, but this PC is surely capable of playing some games and also playing them at really good frame rates and resolutions. Also, this PC can do more than gaming, so you can edit videos and also do things like content creation, photo editing, live streaming. I mean, light live streaming, you cannot go too intense on this one. For that you might want to increase your budget, but yeah, everything is possible in its own limit on this PC, and this can totally handle anything you throw at it. Now talking about some future upgrades, this is going to be like massively upgradable. You can upgrade the CPU, add more RAM, maybe 16GB. In terms of CPU, you can go up to Ryzen 5 or 7 and still have overclocking capabilities. You can add more storage. I'd suggest add SSD based storage as it's fast and you'll feel the difference in responsiveness compared to a traditional hard drive. Talking about the GPU upgrade, if you're upgrading the CPU, I'd say you can go up to a 1070 or a 1070 Ti as well. Anything above that might be overkill or might be a bottleneck. But yeah, if you can upgrade the CPU or if you can balance the CPU and GPU, you'll get really good performance. So upgradability is there, and you won't regret buying this PC. That's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you out in some way or the other. If it did, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification thingy so you don't miss out on uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Roll the outro. Peace out.